Good day, everybody. It's Trent Clarenbach with the Clarenbach Grain Report. Today is February the 12th, 2026. Let's take a look at corn. This is the weekly corn continuous charts using the next contract month in front. And it's a good way to help decide where to place our trades and to understand where the trend is going. So we haven't looked at corn in a while. Remember this head and shoulders pattern that I identified back, I don't know when that would have been, probably, I don't know, 2023, 3 years ago now, maybe 2.5 years ago. And I identified this head and shoulders measured move target down here around $3. I think the price is going to $3. I really do. Now I get asked when, and I guess when is always a more difficult time than tough to determine. You probably make some headlines saying it's going to happen by November, but I don't think it will. But just guessing, putting dates on time on price targets is very difficult, and it's foolish but effective marketing. Anyways, I'd rather be right than sensational. So anyways, I still think that $3 is coming down there. We're trading below this green 50-week moving average. It's acting as some sort of resistance at the moment. And we're trading below this 200-week moving average overhead. Now, this 200-week moving average is going to get retested at some point. I firmly believe that. I just don't know if it's going to be up here through space or through time, somewhere down here as the price goes sideways and the 200 moving average catches up to the price. It remains to be seen. So right now it's trading at 431 on this weekly chart. It's hard for me to I just can't be bullish yet on the weekly chart. The daily chart has a little bit more optimism to it, not much, however, but we're above this 200-day moving average, which it's declining, so you can't trust the rally on that time frame. And we're below a 50-day moving average, so it's very difficult for me to be bullish on anything other than a short swing trade, day trade idea. I would really like to see it above 437, maybe above 440 to really get some optimism of a bullish market, but it could get there next week. This trend line I drew from the high up here in 2022, as I drew it, the best fit trend line, we're above there. So we've had this retest. We got back above it. I'm not ruling out a rally to higher prices, but we really have to see it in the price to get confirmation. We will need to see it before we can get excited. And on this weekly chart, I really need it above 450, 455 before I get bullish on the weekly chart. My name is Trent Clarenbach. It's sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.